everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Aaliyah, so hey girl. So today I have a Bantu knot out technique for you and I am loving the results. I have done this before. I've done it a total of 3 times, so not very many, but I really love the results. And yes, I'm looking at my mirror over here and I'm loving it. So stay tuned if you want to figure out how you can also get these results of these lovely curls, honey. Okay, so I first started off with clean hair, so I washed and detangled my hair. And if you haven't seen my video on my technique on how I wash and detangle my hair as well as my washing goes, click the little link up here and go check that out before checking out this video. Yes, I'll go ahead and give you the rundown of the Cliff Notes version. So I just went ahead and pre-pooed / deep conditioned sort of with coconut oil and detangled my hair before washing. I used the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo and conditioner to wash and condition my hair. Once I get out, I do not towel dry my hair. I just wring out the excess water and then I begin to style if it's either a wash and go or, as you can see in this video, it is a Bantu knot out. So the products I'll be using is the Bantu's leave-in conditioner as well as just normal raw shea butter. And if you want to know where you can get raw shea butter, just go to your local beauty supply store or booty supply store. If you are not good with parting, I'm not either. Usually, okay, so I can part, so please don't come for me. I can part. I'm just not worried about parting in this video. So since it's just a Bantu knot out, I'm mainly using this, even though I'm wearing my Bantu knots, I mainly did the Bantu knots for the curls. So if you want a more polished look beef, like feel free to get a rat tail comb. I'm using 2 mirrors, obviously, because I can't really see behind my head. So yes, I'm using another mirror to part my hair. I'm just finger parting. And then at first, well, obviously I just work with 2 sections. I work with left side, right side of my head separate times. So starting with one side of my head, it's already a little damp from the shower, but most of the, like all the running water has been squeezed out. So I go in with my Bantu leave-in conditioner and I just put that all over the section. And then that's when I start to part for each Bantu knot. And then as I'm so after I have my section parted for my Bantu knot, that's when I put my shea butter on my section and then I begin to Bantu knot. So because obviously shea butter is very thick and it's very hard to like maneuver. So what I did, I microwaved mine for a little while. I'm pretty sure everything is still good with that. I'm pretty sure. So yes, I just microwave a little bit so it's a little bit easier to like work with and it's easier to apply on my hair. If you don't know how to Bantu knot, it's literally just like making a bun essentially, so but just smaller sections. So I twist my hair all the way up to the end and then I put one hand on the root and then just wrap it around that finger and then I just keep the motion going. As I wrap it around each time, I make sure I twist my hair, my section of hair, to make sure that twist doesn't unravel, and I just keep going until you get to the bottom. Be sure that you're not doing it too tight, so you know what your head can handle. You don't want to hurt yourself. Definitely don't push it. Just try not to make it too tight because you will be feeling a world of pain afterwards, honey. Because we are trying to take care of our hair. We are not trying to damage our hair or put her under any unnecessary stress. So yes, just be sure that you don't do it too tight. And then it's pretty much repeating the process, repeating those steps after that. So once I got to the other side of my head, that part began to dry a little too much, so it felt a little too dry. So I sprayed it with a little bit of water, and then I put my Bantu leave-in conditioner on top of that because I don't like applying that product onto dry hair. After that, I just repeat the same thing that I did to the other side, and then there you go. Okay, so after I wash and Bantu knot my hair up, I just use a simple scarf to go to sleep, and then usually I let my hair dry for a full day, usually like a day and a half actually, because I did my hair and then I went to sleep, and then usually that entire next day I just wear my hair in Bantu knots just as a style itself, and then after that the next day is when I take them down. But when I was supposed to take them down, I just ended up going that entire day without taking them down, so here I am the day after. So I let them dry a little longer. As you can see, they got squished a little bit from sleeping on them, so they're a little flopsy. They're a little flopsy, not as tight. Oh yeah, be sure to not do them too tight because honey, the headache is too real. So yes, I'm getting ready to just start taking them down. I'm going to start in the back and then see where it goes from there. So moment of truth. Y'all, hope this turns out okay. Let's see. Usually what I do is I like twist it. Oh, you cannot really see. I twist it to sort of unravel it, and then you can't really see. I try and find the individual curls and separate them that way. So let's see what she's looking like. I just do light separation because I don't want to have it too frizzy. We'll see how it looks after everything is down. So there's just one of the Bantu knots I took down at the bottom she didn't get the picture. I don't know what I did wrong with her. I guess I didn't put enough shea butter on her, or maybe just like from the times I've been taking showers, it's been getting wet or something. I don't know what's going on, but the back is not really doing her thing. But the front, oh my gosh, I really like it. Okay. I love it. Thank you all so much for checking out this video. It means so much to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give your girl a thumbs up if you like these hair videos and want to see more of them. And guys, stay tuned in for more updates coming in the near future, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Until next time, bye girl.